This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, February 27th. Well, another day of lower prices for stock index futures, and once again, it's the coronavirus situation that is dominating not just the indices, but all of the financial markets, even all the markets overall. One thing to keep in mind, though, looking back at the other respiratory viruses and how they affected stock index futures, we had this SARS outbreak that took S&P futures down 16%. The MERS outbreak took the indices down 11%. And now with the coronavirus, I'm seeing that the S&P is off its high by 10.8%. So there may be a little more room to go into downside, but we're getting close to where other instances of these outbreaks cause some type of bottom within the 11 to 16% retracement area. Each and every time, though, recall that we did come back to make some new highs. Of course, this is a very volatile time. This is probably a situation where we would like to stand aside with all this volatility in the indices. Moving over to the currencies, seeing the euro currency higher. Looks like the German government is thinking about some possible fiscal stimulus, so that helped the euro. Also put some pressure on the dollar index. Interest rate markets higher as flight to quality buying continues to come in. And we had the yield on a 10-year Treasury note now falling into further record low territory. Also, the probability of a rate cut at the June meeting is at 95%. Yesterday it was at 79%. So it looks like there could be 2 rate cuts coming from the Fed this year. But it's not just the Fed that's going to ease credit. All of the other major central banks are under extreme pressure to add more stimulus or ease credit conditions. The gold market, a beneficiary of a lot of these fundamentals, good gains in the gold today, and I do think that gold and silver will continue to trade higher. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.